Want the most viral YouTube Shorts niche? Look at this. This is a niche targeted to the US audience. Look at this guy's channel. All the room transformation videos have views in lakhs and crores. And if we talk about his income, he earns hundreds of dollars daily. And if we talk monthly, this guy is earning millions of dollars. So how will we create the same videos, that too using just free AI tools? Come, let's learn. First of all, you have to copy this prompt from my channel description. And if you want a direct copy-paste version, then you will also get it on my Telegram channel. From this, we will copy the image generation prompt given at the top and generate an image of our room using Google Gemini, which is totally free. After the image is generated from Nano Banana, save it and go back to the prompts and copy the first video prompt for video generation and then come to Grok AI. Here, select video and select the frame size as 9:16 and then upload your image using Upload a File. After uploading, paste your video generation prompt in the description box below, and after some loading, it will generate the video for us. If the video looks good, then click on the three dots at the top and select Upscale Video. After the video is upscaled, download it. If you do not like the video, then click on Redo and generate it again. Now, after the video is generated, open that video in your gallery and go to the last frame of the video and take a screenshot and crop that screenshot and save it in portrait size. After saving the image, go back to the prompt and copy the video generation 2 prompt and then go to Grok AI and again click on Upload Image and upload your screenshot image. After loading is complete, paste your prompt in the description box and click on Go. After some loading, it will generate one more video for us. And after verifying the video, we will upscale it and download it. Again, open the video in the gallery and go to the last frame, and again, take a screenshot and crop it and save it. Then go to the prompt and copy the video 3 prompt and again repeat the same steps. Upload the image, paste the prompt in the description, generate the video. After properly analyzing the video, upscale it and download it. If at any time your video generation limit shows exceeded, then a video on how to generate unlimited videos from Grok is already uploaded on the channel, and its link is also given in the description. You can go and watch it there. Again, go to the gallery and play the video and go to the last frame and take a screenshot and crop it and save it. Again, go to the prompt and copy the last video prompt and go to Grok AI and click on Upload a File and upload your last screenshot, and after loading is complete, paste the last video prompt in the description box and click on Go. After some loading, we will get a new video. Upscale it and download this one as well. Now we have 4 videos ready with us. Now we have to copy these and merge them in any video editor software. For this, I will use VN Editor. After creating a project in VN, we will import all the videos serial-wise, and after importing, we will play them once to check in case any frame change is needed. After playing the full video, I suggest you do not remove the original sound of these videos because it contains furniture setting sounds and wipers and broom sounds. On top of that, we will use a time-lapse sound effect to mimic the workers' talks, which you can easily find on Google. This sound effect has to be duplicated and pasted throughout the video, and you have to make sure that whenever workers appear in the frame, this sound should start, and when there are no workers in the frame, you should trim this sound there. So after all this, export your video. So final results will look something like this. Now for more upcoming viral niches, subscribe to the channel.